Best Way Auto Upholstery presents Lamborghini Aventador Interior Repair. Driving a convertible car is fun. Driving a convertible Lambo is a lifestyle everyone dreams about. Look at this beauty. Although it has worn leather seats and damaged dashboard. If you are looking where to repair Lamborghini interior, Best Way Upholstery is the right place. We are the luxury auto upholstery shop located in Los Angeles. We know how to deal with the Lambo auto interior. Fixing worn seats on this model is a real challenge, but it is not a problem for us. A whole dashboard panel, seats should be removed from the car before any work starts. Restoration of the leather dashboard is extremely hard work and requires experience and professionalism. The special request from the owner: he wants to cover it in red leather. Another special request is a red seat upholstery. Interior customization is a part of our job. We do custom works for Lamborghini and other cars. Red Racing style seats is an excellent example of what we can do for you. All covers are custom and crafted by real professionals. Visit Best Way Auto Upholstery for interior customization or minor auto interior repair. Call for a quote 323 435 8417.